Good morning. Good morning, everybody. So today we are going to study a very important new chapter in accountancy second PUC, that is non-profit organizations or not-for-profit organization. This is little bit different from the other chapters because other chapters are commercially accountancy chapters, but this is different. This is non-profit organizations. See, we have two kinds of accounts that will be maintained. One is commercial accounts and another one is non-profit. See, commercial accounts are those which are made for profit. Commercial organizations or commercial business are those businesses which are run mainly for the profit. Their main ambition will be making profit. But non-profit organizations are those organizations which are not main ambition of profit but for providing social service. These organizations, they do not work for any profit. Their ambition is not to make a profit but to provide some social service. See, there are some people who want to do some very benefit, who want to give some benefit to the society by providing financial help or by providing support to the society. So such organizations, they make one organization called as non-profit organization. They form an organization called non-profit organizations. These organizations, they run to give support to the society, to provide social service but not to make profit. Their ambition will never be making profit, rather their main ambition will be giving service to the society. That you can understand very clearly by reading the definition. See, non-profit organizations refers to those organizations. These are the organizations which are formed to render social service. Their main ambition will be giving social service and not for making profit. Their ambition is not for making profit but to give support to the society. See, you may be aware of some social service, like some charitable institutions will be there, some schools will be there. They give education for very lesser price. Community education provide ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. There will be some more institutions. They give support to the talented sports persons by giving financial assistance. These organizations, these institutions, they run for social service but not for making profit. So this is what we are going to study in this chapter, non-profit organizations. So totally what I am going to explain is, these are the organizations which are run to make to give social assistance, to give social service to the society but not for the profit sake. They will never run the organization for making profit, rather they run these organizations to give social service, to give some assistance to the society. For example, promoting education, encouraging sports and games, some hospitality. These will come charitable institutions. They will come under these sectors. These are the accountants, but these organizations also require some accounts. They also have to maintain accounts as the other organizations maintain. ಬೇರೆ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Because even they want fund. These organizations also want fund, isn't it, to run the organizations. Ivrige fund ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ through donations, grants that are given by government ಕೆಲವೊಂದು grants provide ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ. Then the members of the society in this organization, some members will be there who will give amount, who will give fees to run the organizations. ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ these amount what they get, that has to be maintained properly, isn't it? In order to maintain the fund properly, utilize the fund properly, in order to know whether they are getting enough grants or no, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು grants ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ, ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ whether it is utilized in a proper way or no. In order to know all these things, they also maintain some accounts. So they also maintain some accounts books to know their financial position. That's why in order to know what type of accounts they maintain, we will have to learn this chapter. Okay, that is non-profit organization. Before going to accounts, we will see what are the features of this non-profit organizations, and also we will see what kind of books they maintain. First we will see the features. First we will come towards the features. What are the for the non-profit organization? So these organizations are run by certain members. Some members will become trustees, what we call. They will become trustees by providing some fund, and these organizations will get some donations. They will get amount through some donations. And they will get some fund through grants, government grants. Government will provide some grants to them. Through these grants also, they will get the fund to run the organization. And secondly, this is the first point. And second, these organizations, they run through their members, as I told you, but they run not for the profit, but to give service to the society. Service to the society. They run to give service to the society, as I told you. And third point is, they will have three kinds of accounts, financial accounts. One is receipt and payment, and income and expenditure, and lastly balance sheet. These are the accounts that they maintain. These are the features of non-profit organizations. And now the next one, let's see why. What is the, as I told you, they have to maintain some books, isn't it? What is the need to maintain? Why they have to maintain these books? They have to maintain these books in order to see whether the fund that they are getting through grants, donations, and also through membership fees, they want to see these funds are not misappropriated or these funds are not misused, isn't it? In order to know whether these funds are properly used or no, they have to maintain the books. And second reason is, they will be also having to show to the government, legal formalities will be there. In order to get the grants, they have to show to the government the books, the accounts, where the fund is going on, what are the works they are doing. In order to show the legal formalities also, they have to maintain the books. And the third reason why they have to maintain the books is to know themselves whether the income that they have, is it enough or no, whether the organization is running smoothly or any shortage of fund is there or any problem is there in order to continue the organization in the long run. To check that also, they have to maintain the account books. And lastly, in order to get the donations from outside also, in order to get the in order to attract the donations from outside also, they have to maintain the books. So these are the reasons why they have to maintain the books in order to run the organizations. I told you that they have to maintain the books. What are the types of books they maintain in this non-profit organization? They will maintain different types of books. One is cash book. They maintain cash book. In that they enter receipts and payments, income and expenditure, etc. And second, they maintain ledgers. Ledger is also maintained by them. And third, they maintain register of members book. In this register of member book, they list out the members. How many members are there in the society as a trustees? How many members are the subscribers? Subscribers means they pay some amount and they will become a member. They are called subscribers. What are the advance that we are getting from the subscribers, and what are the amounts still has to be done from those subscribers, and how much government grant have been provided. All these are listed in this register of member books. These are the types of books that are maintained in the non-profit organizations. Okay, and now I have told you the definition. Now I have explained you a little bit earlier the definition of non-profit organization. Non-profit organizations are those organizations that are run for giving social service. They are not profit-oriented organizations, but they run in order to give social service. And I also told you what are the features. What are the features of these non-profit organizations? They are the organizations which are run by trustees or the members in order to give service to the society and encourage in the different fields of education, hospitalities, and in the sports, etc. And they run through members called trustees. Okay, and these trustees will become member by providing some membership fees by subscribing. And after that, I have also told they need to maintain the books, isn't it? They have to maintain cash book, ledger, register of member books. Why they have to maintain the books of accounts? In order to see that the fund that they are getting is not misused, and also whether to see the amount that are getting are properly utilized, and what is the financial position of this organization. In order to know what is the financial position of this organization also, they have to maintain the books. These are the reasons, and also they will be having some legal formalities that has to be done in order to show to the government and in order to get the grants from the government to run the organizations. These are the reasons why they have to maintain the books, isn't it? So this is what we have discussed, and the next class I will do the financial statements. In that we will go on to what are the adjustments to be done in the receipt and income and expenditure and balance sheet also. We will do it in the next class. Thank you.